What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. Sorry about filming at night. It's daylight savings time and my work schedule, they don't mesh too well. So coming at you here because I got to get these wheels off the truck. And yes, this is the last time, the final last time you're going to see the truck looking oh so fresh, so clean, so good with the black Rhinos and the Toros. I sold them. So stock wheels going back on the truck. You'll see them there sitting in the garage. I just wanted to film real quick before I took the wheels off, and basically I'm just going to give you guys a bunch of b-roll of the truck looking really good over the past 2 years with these wheels, and kind of go from there. So it's a bittersweet moment just because I like the truck the way it looks. I think it looks super good, but selling the wheels, getting this truck one more step closer to stock gets us one more step closer to buying a new truck. So enjoy the b-roll. I'll see y'all with the stock wheels on. And that's a wrap for the wheels, guys. Another chapter in this book for this truck closed. I gotta tell you, it hit differently giving those wheels to somebody else. Like, I've taken those wheels off and put my stock wheels on this truck 100 times in the past 2 years, but it like didn't matter because I still had them in my possession. And even when I just took them off, put them in the garage, washed them for the guy, I was like, cool, they're still mine. They're sitting in my garage. But it wasn't until I helped him put the wheels in his truck and drove away that I was like, damn, they gone. So now, one thing I definitely did miss, and I talk about this every time I put the stock wheels back on, is listen. Exactly, you hear nothing. The cabin noise is so quiet I can hear myself think, I can listen to the radio. It's not like it was that bad with the wheels on, but just in general, it is quiet. I mean, look at it though, it's clean. The stock wheels, it's clean. Now, I will say I do like these stock wheels. It's an 18 and like the 5-star, but you see there's the holes cut out. I'll put a picture on the screen of the stock wheels I hate of these trucks. Those look cheap. I don't know if those just come with like customs or something like that. So these wheels I actually don't mind. In the Goodyear Wranglers, I mean, it's a street tire, so it looks weird. It don't look too bad. Let's go. Really, there's not a whole lot of points to this video other than just, hey, I got rid of the wheels, showing you guys some B-roll of the truck with wheels, because this is the final stage. I mean, this is what it looks like. Wheels are off, exhaust is off, which I never talked to you guys about yet. Intake is off, so realistically, there's not tons done in this truck, or there wasn't tons done to this truck. It's basically tearing the lift off, so taking out the blocks in the rear, taking out the spacer up front, and then the upper control arms, putting that stuff back to stock, putting on that little air lip, air dam thing up front, and I'm pretty sure that's it. Call it a day. I'm not going to replace any stickers or the badges. All the LED lights can stay. And basically, I got a couple more videos to make with this truck, and then I think we're going to get rid of it and then go shopping for a new one. So that's legit it. Nothing crazy, guys. I know I say this all the time. Sorry, bear with me. I'm a normal dude. I don't got tons of money to be building SEMA trucks and trucks on American Forces and 26s and 40s, and I ain't got time for that right now, or money for it. So maybe one day, that'd be cool. But I appreciate all you guys who have stuck around for this entire truck build. I know I'm gonna lose some of you losing a truck, but I know my real subscribers, my real OGs will stay with me. So like the video if you haven't already, subscribe, join the family, join the rest of this build, and stick around for the new one coming. And I'll see you guys next week. Peace.